Five Below squishy hunting. They have tabas. They have this. Mom, look what I found. Maybe. Guys, I found more tabas. This is so cool. Check out. I didn't get any squishies, but I got two really cute things to haul in when I get in the car. Can we look at Dollar Tree really quick? Okay. Dollar Tree. It's dirty in here. Okay, let's go to the toy aisle. Sand squishy. Dollar Tree was success. Oh, and Dollar Tree haul. Okay, one sec. First, what I got from the Five Below is this little mini set of I don't know, little food for Barbies for a pizza party. It's really cute. I love it. And I also got this Pendro drink vending machine. It has lemonade, soda pop, orange soda, and yeah, that's all. And it also should have mini little coins. Yeah, there's mini coins in it. And the last thing that I got from Five Below, all this for $1 for all 10 of them. And then what I got from Dollar Tree, I got only one thing, but I got squishy. It's sand filled. Let me just open this squishy really quick. Okay, I opened it. Oh. Wait, this is so good. It's a little bit clumpy, but I just need to get it not clumpy. And literally, this is so good. The other stuff isn't really that squishy. It's just kind of like a taba. Just sticky. Oh, there's these things to keep them from sticking together. Making my burger. There's cheese. There's a lot of the plastic things. Some meat. And last but not least, well, not last but not least, almost last but not least, the lettuce. The lettuce. And now, last but not least, the bun. Oh, wait, the top bun's upside down. Here's my burger. I love the buns. They both are so good and squishy. If you guys see these burgers at Dollar Tree, it's like these kinds. You guys might know what they are, but they have 3 different burgers. I got this one, I think. Wait, no, I didn't. I didn't get any of these ones. Oh, yeah, those were the secret menu. I got this one right here because it looked the best. I did not want this one, and definitely not this one. This one looked disgusting and raw. Yeah, that one's a moldy burger. I got the normal burger. And I love it so much. And you can even repackage it. Well, it's kind of hard to fit it back in, but you can still repackage it. Alright, now I'm going to try to open this. I'm going to try to, you guys. I'm going to try. If I can't, I'm sorry. So, trying to open it in 3, 2, 1. I opened it. I just, yeah, I opened it. This is so cool. Wait, how do you open this thing? Oh my gosh. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. Ew, spicy. It's spicy chip drink. Ew, that sounds disgusting. Some lemonade. Wait, they oh no. I think whoever made this thing, they forgot to make the orange soda. Because there's no orange soda. Oh wait, no. I know it. Okay, never mind. Okay, and don't forget the coins. There's only 2 coins though. I think I could just reuse them. Oh wait, no. 3. There's 3 coins. Wait. I could just take it out, right? Couldn't I? Couldn't I just take it out? Okay, I fixed it. You can see the little sodas. Here's the machine, and now let me just close that up so nobody steals it. Now, I'm gonna grab a coin and place it in. And now I want a lemonade. It works! Oh, that's so cute! Alright, got it. Now I get a now I can drink a lemonade with my burger. Oh wait, in the back, you can get your coin back. The coin, yay! I love this. Well, that was a success. Oh, Five Below was a success for squishies. I just didn't want to get a Taba. I wanted to get these because I thought these were way cuter. Alright, I also got this, but I really don't want to open it because all the pieces are super duper tiny. I will open it when I get home because I don't want to make a mess and all the pieces are really tiny. But I'm gonna do one more soda thingy so you guys know that it actually works. Just for the people in the back. Okay, let me do it one more time for the people in the back. I'm gonna get an orange soda this time. Alright. Wait, can I just do it without putting the coin in? I can! What? I can do it without putting the coin in. I just stole sodas, too. Okay, you guys, I did not steal it from the store. I bought it, but I stole it from the machine. Okay, I'll actually pay for it this time. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and orange soda. Hello? Okay, I thought it works when you don't pay for it, but it does not work when you pay for it. Wait, what? Why is it? Okay, well, I liked it, it worked, but this, and also, these drinks were not soda pop, orange soda, and lemonade. They were spicy chips, and there were 4 lemonades, not 2, and there were no soda pops, and no orange soda. Instead of orange soda, there was spicy chips. Oh, but I still like it. I love it. Alright, bye. Actually, no, not bye. I'll see you when I get home. And, unbox this bad boy. Here, we'll unbox one more thing. We'll unbag pretty much this before the last thing. Mom, how many more minutes till we go home? Okay. All right.
I have to run into Goodwill to do a toaster.
Okay. Okay. See you when I get home, you guys.